Welcome to the network hacking section of our ethical hacking course. This is where we dive into how systems communicate over networks and explore vulnerabilities that can be exploited. Why start with network hacking? Well, think about it. Everything today is connected to a network. Whether it's a personal computer, a server, a company's internal system, or even just a website, they all communicate through a networks. Understanding how networks work and how devices within this network communicate is absolutely essential before we move on the other aspect of hacking. This section will be divided into three main subsections: pre-connection attacks, gaining access, post-connection attacks. In the first subsection, pre-connection attacks, we will focus on attacks you can perform before connecting to any network. Imagine you have a device with a network interface or Wi-Fi adapter. What can you do before even connecting? Well, exploring technique to gather information and test vulnerabilities without establishing a connection. Next, we move on the cracking Wi-Fi networks. Whether it's WP, WPA or WPA2 encryption, we will learn how to crack those Wi-Fi keys and gain access to secure networks. Once you have gained access, the door opens for a range of possibilities. Finally, the third subsection is where things get really interesting. Whether you are on a Wi-Fi or wire network, you will learn how to execute powerful attacks once you have connected. In this part, you will discover how to intercept traffic, capture usernames, passwords, URLs, and even chat messages. And that's just the beginning, but it does not stop there. You will also learn how to modify data on the fly, when to inject malicious code into web page as they load. How about serving fake update to users? The possibilities are endless. So get ready to dive deep into the network hacking section. By the end of this section, you will have a solid understanding of how to exploit vulnerabilities within both Wi-Fi and wired networks. Let's get started.